you're a garlic bread lover, get ready to take it to the next level. This cheesy, stuffed garlic bread is crispy on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside, and bursting with buttery, garlic flavour. Perfect as a snack, side dish, or party appetizer. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make this crowd-pleasing favourite at home, with plenty of melty cheese, fresh herbs, and that irresistible garlic butter. You won't believe how simple and satisfying this is. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents stuffed garlic bread. Step 1. Activate the yeast. Take 3 tablespoons lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar in it. Whisk until sugar dissolves completely. Add 7 grams dried yeast. Combine well. Set aside for 10 minutes for yeast to activate. Step 2. Preparing stuffing. Take 1 cup mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup boiled sweet corns, 1/4 cup capsicum chopped, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon Italian seasoning or mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix well. Step 3. Preparing garlic butter. Take 3 tablespoons melted butter, add 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 grated garlic cloves. Mix well. Garlic butter is ready. Keep it aside, we will use it later. Step 4. Make the dough. Activated yeast concoction is ready. Add 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1/2 teaspoon Italian seasoning or oregano, 2 garlic cloves grated or paste, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Add 1½ cup flour in batches. Knead the dough. Add some lukewarm milk or water. Knead it. Knead well. Add some oil. Again, knead well. Grease some oil. Set aside for 1 to 2 hours or refrigerate overnight. Doubled up in size. Puncture the dough. Again, knead well for 5 minutes. Remove on flat surface. Step 5. Preparing garlic bread. Dust some cornmeal or flour. Divide the dough in 2 parts. Coat some cornmeal. Flatten it and make a circle with help of rolling pin. Spread mayo or garlic butter. It's totally optional. Add veggies, cheese stuffing. Add some bullet chilies, optional. Brush some water on the edges. Seal the edges. Grease oil on tray. Place garlic bread on it. Apply garlic butter that we've prepared earlier. Sprinkle chili flakes, oregano or Italian seasoning, piri-piri masala optional. Make gentle cuts, 1/2 inch distance. In a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Our delicious cheesy stuffed garlic bread is ready. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Serve hot and enjoy. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.